Today is April the 23rd, 2014, and Apple reports earnings after the bell today. And people say that the Apple chart is broken. But I want to show you just how rhythmic Apple has been. And I'm going back to April of 2012, just because that's a year. And using Motive Wave and its A, B, C, D, and Gartley drawing tools, first thing we see here is an X, a 78.6, which is the start of a butterfly, C, and a perfect first target for a butterfly formation. That was followed by an A, B, C, and then this D point was a perfect, right down here, perfect AB equals CD. That was followed by an A, B, C, and it wasn't an A, B, C, D, it was an alternate A, B, C, D, where the CD is 1.61 ratio of AB. So that's a valid harmonic pattern. That was followed by, in August in the summer, of an A, B, C, and a perfect D. That was followed by A, B, C, and this D pattern was 1.27, CD was 1.27 of AB. Then we had this period in here, which I didn't try to fit anything for. I don't see anything readily. But we did make a high here just to fill the gap that was created from back in December. So perhaps we didn't make a meaningful pattern in here because it was just determined to go up, and it filled the gap exactly. That was followed by an A, B, C, and a valid D pattern would be 1.27 of AB, and that's what we have. Let's expand this a little bit so it's not so clustered. Here you see after the gap fill, A, B, C, and D is 1.27 of the BC, followed by an A, B, C, and a 1.618 of the AB. At this point, which is February, we started a Gartley pattern where D starts the X of the Gartley, goes down to A, B is a perfect 61.8% of XA, C is within the retracement, which is 0.382 of AB, and then we came up to a perfect D. Overshot a little bit, but by the end of the day, we had closed right on the second target of a Gartley. That was followed in March by an A, B. We fell a little bit short of the C before starting to pull back. And here we are 3 days. These 3 candles represent Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. This blue box represents the area above and below the current price that the market makers are anticipating for tonight's earnings move. We could go below the 512, which is the low point of the analysts' expectations right now at 1 o'clock this afternoon. It could go as low as 498, and that would be an ABCD, where CD is 1.618 of BC. So try drawing some of these yourself. You might come to find different patterns, but we can't really say that Apple is broken. It looks like it's randomly broken, but when you break it down, there's just one harmonic pattern after another.